Hello my students. In this video we'll know how can we make a question. Let's begin together. First, don't be afraid of the answers. Be afraid of not asking the questions. This is a proverb. First, as you know, we have WH questions and yes or no questions. The WH question, I use who to ask about a person, what to ask about things, where to ask about place, why to ask about a reason, when to ask about time, how to ask about the process or the way, and which to choose. Let's have some examples here. If you look at this one, you must invent the subject and the helping verb following the WH word. Like, for example, when I say, Sammy is going to Florida. So I put the subject first and then I put the is going to Florida next. In the question, I have to write the question word, then I put is Sammy going. So I have to say, where is Sammy going? Here I have the subject Sammy, the helping verb is going, the main verb going, and I want to ask about Florida. So that's why I use it like this. Where is Sammy going? What about if I have sentences without auxiliary verbs, without helping verbs, without am or is or are or was or were or has or have, and so on? So I have to need to have a form of the verb do. I have to write the form of do. I have to change the main verb to its base form. And I have to add the WH word in the beginning of the question. Like, for example, when I say the man broke the window. So I want to say about the window. I'll use what? The second step I have is broke. Broke is the, yes, excellent, past. I don't have helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. So I put the form of do in the past. The form of do in the past is did. So how can I make this question? I'll say, what did the man break? If you look at broke, I divide it into did and break. So I put did, and then when I put did, as we said before, did is very strong, so I have to return the verb back to the infinitive. What about if when the subject of the sentence is not known? Then I have to put who at the beginning. For example, is feeling sick. I'll say who is feeling sick? Who is learning French? And so on. Thank you, my students.